I like this color. Na, 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 na. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will test together a new palette by Essence, and this is my only one lipstick palette. It contains 22 shades. Also we get a small brush lipstick palette with 22 shades for endless kissing combinations. Mix and play to create the one and only shade. Your shade, your kiss. I will also try to do some ombre effects with 2 or 3 colors to see if the colors blend easy into each other. As we can see, most of the colors are very neutral. You can use them for every day. The first row, all of the shades are a little bit brownish. I will remove what I already have on my lips. Bring my mirror. I will take the first color that we have here, and it looks like a caramel nude color. I will use the brush that came with the palette. So the brush is very thin and it will take me ages to apply the product on my lips. I will take a lip brush by Essence. As you can see, it is very small and it doesn't pick up a lot of product. So the first color doesn't apply very opaque. It is uneven. Also, it makes the dryness of my lips more intense. I'm taking the second color, which looks very similar to the first one. Oh, this is like my concealer. This is lighter than the previous one, and it is a very nude matte color. It's not completely matte. They are creamy, but they have that very greasy consistency and it doesn't blend very nice on my lips. So let's move on to the next color, which is a darker brown nude shade. This color looks a little better on my lips because it is darker. You don't see my own lip color peeking through. The next color looks like a mauvish brown shade. Most likely this will look even better on me. So this looks even more natural because it is more similar to my own lip color and it blends a little better. I think the reason that the color is more opaque is because it's not very different from my own lip color. The next color is a darker mauvish brown shade. This color looks darker on my lips than in the pan. I thought it would be a lighter color. It looks very nice. It is very creamy and comfortable on the lips. It was very easy to make it look opaque. The next color looks like a dark brown shade. Let's see how it looks on the lips. To be honest, this color to me is a little bit outdated. It is that brownish shade with a little bit of orange that it was in the 90s, I think. So from all the colors of the first row, the 2 colors that didn't work for me were the 2 lighter ones. They didn't blend nice on my lips. Also, they were not as creamy as all the other colors. And let's move on to the second row. The colors are more reddish on this row and we have 5 shades. Let's start with the first one. It looks like a vivid red orange color. It applies easy on the lips. It is very creamy and it is easy to make the color opaque, and I have very dry lips and I didn't use a lip base or a lip balm and that looks good on me. The next color looks like a deeper red color. So this is a very creamy red lipstick. This is like a true red lipstick. I think this one is a little bit more shiny than the previous one. The next color looks like a deep pink red color. It is very creamy and it gives a shiny finish to the lips. The next color is like a muted red, orange, pink color. No idea. Let's see how it looks on the lips. This reminds me the second color of this row. The next color looks like a deep cherry red color. This one is like a deep red color, and when you first apply it on your lips, it has an orange tint that I don't like. It looks outdated. Also, it makes my teeth whiter. I like that. The second row is all red colors, and the first color, I think it is the one that it wasn't as shiny as all the others, and they are very creamy and easy to blend on your lips and make the color opaque. Let's move on to the third row. I will use the shimmery color with my fingers. This is like a topper. I will use it again on top of other lipsticks. So it is very creamy and it's not patchy. I thought it would be completely flaky on me. This is not my favorite color for my lips. The next color is a white lipstick. It's not very opaque. Maybe you can use it to mix colors together and make them lighter if you want. When I press my lips together, the color separates just a little bit on this area here, but it's not drying, and I think it blends very nice on the lips. The reason that it looks like a very light pink color is because I have already applied so many red colors and they tinted my lips. The next color is a golden shimmery lipstick that I am guessing it is also like a top coat. I took a brush by the Catrice lip palette. I will link the review down below. This is very creamy and comfortable on the lips. The next color looks like something that I will like a lot. It is a nude rose pink color. Let's see how it looks on my lips. So this is like a lilac rose pink color. It's not as muted as I thought it would be. It is very creamy on the lips and I think it looks a little bit different than the pan. I will apply on top of it in the center the silvery one. They blend very nice into each other. The silvery top coat gives that metallic effect on the lips. I'm not a huge fan of this trend, but if you like it, you can make it with this top coat. The next color is a deep burgundy color. This is a deep red cherry color. It applies very easy on the lips. When I press my lips together, the color doesn't separate. It's very creamy. It's not sticky. The next color is a matte shade that I'm going to use in the outer corners of my mouth to see if it blends nice with this color. Okay, that's black. I didn't believe that it would be so intense, guys. And I will just blend it. So it was very easy to blend the black color into my lipstick and I am very impressed. I will apply the black color by itself to see how it looks on my lips. Black, black heart. Do you remember the song? Am I too old? Surprisingly, the black color is opaque on me. I don't believe that. It is very creamy and shiny. As I have seen, a lot of shades are shiny from this palette. If you don't like that, you will not like this palette. Fourth row. Yeah. Oh, I have red here. Thank God it's red. I thought it was blood from my dry lips. The fourth row has more natural, everyday colors. So the first one is a caramelly nude color. So this is a very natural color. I like that it is not so shiny as the other colors. It's very creamy and very nice for every day. The next color is like a neutral pink caramelly color. This is like a muted baby pink color that I'm not a huge fan of these colors on me. I feel that they wash me out, but it is very creamy. The next color looks like a vibrant pink color. This is a very nice everyday pink color and it is creamy opaque. Also, this one is not very shiny and I like that. The next color looks like a shimmery pink color. Oh yeah, this is also a top coat. Oh my god, my lips are burning! So this is a very nice lip top coat. It looks like a pink lip gloss. I think it will also look very nice on top of other lipsticks and it is very creamy and opaque and it was very easy to apply it on the lips. The next color is like a muted magenta pink color. This is a very beautiful magenta color and it is opaque and it is very creamy on the lips and lightweight. I think this one is my favorite from all the colors. I will apply on top of it a little bit of the previous color to see how it looks. Okay, it blends very nice and it gives like a fuller effect on the lips. I like this color. Na, 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 na. All the colors were very easy to apply on my lips. Also, they were opaque and very creamy, except the two nude colors that I have applied in the beginning, in the first row, these two. The three lip top coats that we have blend very easy on top of the other colors, and I'm very impressed with the black lipstick, guys. I didn't believe that it would be so opaque even by itself on my lips. Very impressed. Very impressed. I would prefer if they were a little less shiny, because that very shiny finish on my lips, for me, I feel that it is a little outdated. The red colors look a little bit similar to me. I would prefer if one or two shades were completely different. About the packaging, it is very basic. We don't have a mirror. I don't know if this is travel friendly because of the size. It's not very big, but also it's not smaller. It is always easier to have something like this in your purse instead of this. If you are sensitive to scents, this palette has no scent. The brush is very small and it takes a lot of time to apply one layer of color all over the lips. And okay, I don't have the thinnest lips, but again, this is a very small brush Essence. Why didn't you have something like this? This is very affordable, also by Essence, I think €1.95. Why should you buy this palette? If you are a beginner in makeup and you're starting now your makeup collection and you don't have a lot of lipsticks and you want to see which colors look nice on you, also you want to mix colors, you can get this palette because most of the colors work very nice. I mean, only two colors didn't work for me. If you have already some of the colors, you don't need this palette. If you are a makeup artist, this is very easy to carry around inside your case because you have 22 colors in one palette. But most of the colors are very shiny and a lot of clients, they want matte shades. I also have the Create and Transform lip palette by Essence. I haven't used this one yet. I will do another video for next week. This one has a better mixing zone. Oops. And an even smaller brush. What is this, Essence? Give this video a huge thumbs up if you want me to use this palette in a makeup tutorial. Let me know in the comments below if you have already tested this palette or if you like lip palettes. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!